I'm Rayanne Solano, and I am the lead veterinarian and medical director at the Western Arizona Humane Society Veterinary Clinic. I consider Lake Havasu kind of my home. I was raised in Parker, Arizona, lots of pets, livestock, horses, cows, chickens, and pigs, and so growing up my goal was to always be a veterinarian. But I also realized growing up in a small town that the resources of having a veterinarian were very scarce. So as I grew closer to college and my doctorate degree, my ultimate goal was to return home and to practice medicine near my community. So the Western Arizona Humane Society has given me that opportunity, and now I'm so excited to be here to practice medicine in a community that I consider home and serve our pets large and small, and to really give back to the community, not only in our clinic but also in our animal shelter that we have here in Lake Havasu City. So the majority of our clientele is small animals, so mainly dogs and cats. But we also do see some exotics, and we don't really go into invasive medicine because they are kind of their own niche, but we do offer euthanasia services for our exotics, rodents, birds, and things like that. And we also do a ton of horses in this area. I didn't realize how many horses were in this community until I came here to practice, and I came with an experience of mixed practice. So that's all the farm animals, large and small, and dogs and cats. So we've really been able to bring that to the community and offer equine services as well. We do that here at our facility, so people can bring in their horses and haul them in if it's a simple vaccine appointment or general exam. But we also go out to the farms also. So if you have a horse that doesn't haul very well, or you're more comfortable at your farm or ranch, we're most certainly able to go out to your farm and examine your horse there. So the most common misconception of the Western Arizona Humane Society Veterinary Clinic is that we only offer a small amount of services: spays and neuters, vaccines, puppy appointments. Those are the most common things that people think of when they think of the Humane Society and the public clinic. So the most amazing part about our clinic is we are a full-service public clinic too. So although we service the shelter animals that are here if they need any medical care, vaccines, spayed and neutered, we do offer services to the public. So we have clients that come in on a daily basis, they have appointments, and we see them for a lot of medical issues too. The most common things that we see in this area: allergies. All of our pets have allergies. They're itchy, they're scratchy, they get ear infections, they have skin conditions, heart conditions, hormone conditions. All those things we can treat in this clinic here. So we do allergy testing, we do routine allergy treatments, we even do things as complex as soft tissue surgeries. So a lot of people don't think of our clinic as a place that you can come to for surgical services. So later on you'll see our surgical suite and the things that we offer in there, but soft tissue surgeries, taking off tumors, we do full service dental cleanings here as well, and that includes extractions or any problem teeth that your pet may have. We have a full pharmacy, so any treatments that your pet may need is also available here, and we even do have hospitalization available as well. So if your pet is ill enough or critical enough that they may need hospitalization, that can be done in this clinic too. So we have a variety of things that we offer that people may not know about. So in terms of emergency services, we are open Monday through Friday, and so we do see a lot of emergency walk-ins or people that call the same day when their pet is extremely ill. We try our absolute best to get them in within a 24 to 48 hour period. As far as after hours though, unfortunately we don't offer emergency services. We don't have any veterinarians that are available to work through the night. Hopefully that will change in the future though, as we bring on more staff. We are really excited to introduce our newest veterinarian that will be joining our team in July. So we're hoping to even expand our services even more at that point. But if you do have an emergency and you need to be seen right away, certainly please call us, and we will try our absolute best to get you in and get you seen and get your pet the proper care that they need. So our services to other shelters, we work really closely with a shelter that's in Parker, Arizona, the La Paz County Shelter and the Animal Relief Fund. We have them come every Monday, and we offer low spay and neuter costs for them to keep their costs down. They don't have a veterinarian on staff, so we're really excited, and we love helping out the surrounding areas. We also do work with a facility in Kingman also if there's a surgery that needs to be done, like an amputation or something a little bit bit more complex than just a routine spay and neuter. We also work with Humane Animal Shelter. Sometimes if they have a patient or a pet that is fully adoptable but may have a little tumor or need an amputation or a serious injury that we can help them with here with our services, we do work really closely with them. We have a great relationship with our surrounding shelters because we are one of the only shelters that do have a full medical clinic with veterinarians on staff. We work really closely with them and offer them very low prices so that we can get those pets a chance to have a home too. Another awesome and amazing service that we don't always like to think about, but end-of-life care. That is one thing that we take really serious here and we're very compassionate about. We know that when it's time to say goodbye to your loved ones, it's a very hard decision for you, and you may not be wanting to come to the clinic and performed end-of-life services and euthanizing your pet in a clinic setting. So although we do offer those services, and we have an amazing comfort room where we give you plenty of time to say your goodbyes to your pet, and then the veterinarian will come in and speak with you and kind of comfort you during that time, and then you're able to spend as much time as you would like afterwards to say your final goodbyes. But we do also offer in-home euthanasia, so we're able to come to your home. I know that when I euthanized my pet, it was so nice to be in his home and in his comfort of the places that he's familiar with. So if that's something that you're interested in and you would rather be in your home with your pet for those final moments, we can certainly offer that service, and we're really excited to be able to do that for our clients. So some of the services that we offer here and the equipment that we have in our amazing facility is we do have digital x-ray. So being able to take an x-ray and instantly see it on the computer allows our veterinarians to diagnose things very quickly. We also have digital ultrasound. It's one of our newest equipment that we're really excited to have. So again, another modern diagnostic tool that we have that doesn't always get caught on an x-ray. So we're able to do ultrasounds and again diagnose patients in-house and be able to treat them efficiently. We also have a state-of-the-art surgical equipment that you'll see a little bit later, where we're able to have the capability of having 2 surgeons doing surgery at the same time. In our surgery suite, we're well equipped with monitoring equipment, IV fluid stands, and all the things that we need to properly monitor your patient while under anesthesia. We also offer in-house laboratory, which can be really important if your pet is extremely sick, and we don't have those 24-hour we don't have that much time in terms of getting the results back from the lab the next day. Those pets need results very quickly so that we can start treatment as soon as we can. So we also have that capability here. We have a full pharmacy, we have state-of-the-art dental equipment, so we're really blessed to be in this facility and have such amazing equipment at the tip of our hands. It allows us as veterinarians and the veterinary team to be so efficient and get your pets the answers that they need and get them treated as quickly and as efficiently as possible. And the most awesome part about all of our equipment is most of it has been donated by multiple people in the community's different organizations that really share that love and compassion for their pets as well. So our x-ray machine and our ultrasound machine, thousands of dollars have been donated and supported us in the purchase of all this equipment, and have really allowed us to have these things at our fingertips to be able to better serve your pets. So our staff is a large veterinary team. Right now we have 2 veterinarians and 1 that's going to be joining us in July, and we also have a team of 5 veterinary assistants and technicians. So our supportive staff is extremely important in allowing us to be efficient in our jobs, and so we have plenty of people that are here to welcome you. When you come, you'll meet our amazing receptionists up front. We'll walk you through the entire process of becoming a new patient or pet here at our clinic. But we have a great team of staff that are very knowledgeable and skillful, and they'll be the first faces that you see in the exam room before you meet the veterinarian, so they're extremely excited to meet you as well.